So let's talk about this concept of space. Space is a void bounded by surrounding edges or masses. So for example, a box is an example of defined space. It's defined by the bottom, sides and the top. In this instance, the bottom of the box would be the base or the floor plane, and the sides would be the vertical plane and the top would be the overhead plane. So for example, patio is a defined space. Although it's not exactly defined by the boundaries in the same way as the box is, it's more of an implied space. You can have a seating wall around the patio to define the space and also to separate it from the dining/entertainment area. So the wall acts as seating and it also creates a subspace that helps to provide more of an interest to the garden. And the columns provide a solid base and also an overhead porch that protects the patio from sun and rainfall. So this is what I mean when I say create interest by providing different features and materials. Go beyond the plants.